Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show the double cut crease eye makeup look. First I am using the light color eyeshadow for the transition shade. Next I am using the darker shade of the brown color eyeshadow on the crease line. Using the small blending brush, I am blending the colors together. Next I am using liquid concealer for cut crease. Using the small flat brush, I am using concealer on my eyelid. After setting with the loose powder on eyelid, I am using the gel eyeliner to create V shape on the outer corner of my eyelid. Using black color eyeshadow, fill the in-between gap of the V. Next I am adding the brown color eyeshadow and pushing the eyeshadow toe inside my eyelid and blending with the help of the brush. Adding more brown color eyeshadow with the light color. Blending with a small brush. Using the flat brush, I am using the light color pigment on my inner corner of my eyelid. Next here I am cleaning the outer corner using the gel eyeliner. Apply the gel eyeliner to outer corner of the eye. Highlighting the inner corner also. I am using the mascara to my lashes. To finish this look, I am applying the eyelashes with the help of the glue. This is the beautiful double cut crease eye makeup look. If you like this makeup, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching my video.